Hello, it's 10:30 and I'm hungry. I have my 6 ounces of 93% and 6 ounces of 80/20. I'm going to put some Tony's on here, some Tony's Creole seasoning. And I'm going to put some of my adobo on here. So adobo is salt, garlic, black pepper, tricalcium, oregano, and turmeric. So it's, I don't know, kind of like an all-purpose seasoning, but I like the flavor of it. So there we go. That is my brunch. I already had my coffee. Supper, because I have Bible study tonight, so I needed to eat here before I go to Bible study. This is California blend, some 80/20 ground beef, and the salsa that I made this weekend. So that's what I'm eating for supper. I'm going to put some salt on it. And I'm going to put some Danos on it. And that's what I'm having for my supper. The end. I lied. I'm eating something else. One more thing. I'm eating 2 figs. Yep, I'm going to eat them. They're good. I'm going to eat 2, but it's on my thingy. So I counted them. Okay, bye. And here's my totals for the day. Not too shabby.